Next we're going to install the doors, the front plate for the fireplace and the fireplace itself. So we'll take our hinges. They come with the plates on, they are detachable, but I'll just show you the easy way of doing it. So hinges in, the 17mm screws, the shorter ones. So the doors are universal, so we'll take the door over, offer up two pre-drilled holes in the cabinet, screw them in. Be careful not to over tighten them, because that can make them sag over time. So you might find you need to adjust the doors if it's great. So you can do that with the hinge plate itself. There's a screw that lifts the whole door up. Make sure you match the movements on both hinges, and the hinges can go in and out and forward and backward to make sure you get them nicely levelled up all round. Next, we are going to mark out and fit our door handles so that when we've got our front plate for the fireplace on, we can still open our doors. I'm going to just pop a bit of masking tape on so I can see my lines. So I am going to do 50mm inboard from the edge. I'm going to do 50mm down for the top hole, and I'm going to get a handle and see what we can do. I think that'll be fine. I know these are 160mm in between. Measure down. Handles come with the handle screws in the bag. One handle. So the fireplace surround has got two little tiny holes in each corner, and we have similar here on the unit itself. So we take the fittings for the fireplace itself. The flat ones go on the cabinet, and the chunky L-shaped ones go on the surround. So we, direction-wise, it goes that way around with the L pointing inside, and again 17mm, the shorter screws to fix it in. Flat ones go with the pointing forward on the cabinet, and again it's the same 17mm shorter screws. Now, this surround, again, it's not directional on a standard unit. It just pops on now to the front, like this. So, from here, on the wider 60-inch fireplace units, we send two little L brackets, which you can use on the inside just to secure that into place. Again, just use 17mm screws. You don't need to pre-drill. So before we fit the logs version of the fire, if you choose to upgrade to logs, you will get two small pieces that we need to fix on the inside of here, between the fittings, just so that when we fix the fireplace in, we line up with the screws. So to do that, I'm going to pop a couple of holes just straight through these. And these are going to go flat against here, so they're only 18mm thick that way. And again, screwing two pieces together, we're going to use 30mm screws, the slightly longer ones. Make sure they are pushed as far over as they can. It doesn't matter if they stick in very slightly, they just need to be pushed over.